Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Whitney. Today I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this soft glam look using all drugstore products. I don't know how much everything costs on top of my head. I'm gonna try to link everything below in the description box, but I can safely say everything I use during this tutorial is $10 or less. You can find that at your local Walgreens, Walmart, or Target. If you're on a budget and you're a beginner doing makeup, this video is for you. Stick around. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So for today's video, I did my eyebrows off camera, but we'll be starting with our e.l.f. Cosmetics Hydrating Face Primer to prime my face before going in with foundation. And the foundation I'll be using today is the Maybeline New York Fit Me in the shade of 356 Warm Coconut. And I'm gonna put that all over my face and blend with my foundation blending brush. Sometimes I add more if I feel like I need more coverage and just blend my face more with the brush. Now it's time to use my concealer, and I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Concealer in the shade of 05 Beige. And the only thing I'm gonna be using here that's not from a drugstore is my Fenty Beauty matchstick, and that's the Expresso, just to contour my face. I'm gonna apply that right below my cheekbone and a little bit over my forehead. Now it's time to blend, and I'm using my Real Technique Beauty Blender. I did wet it a little bit so it could be nice and easy to blend with. And of course, I always add a little bit if I feel like I need more coverage, especially under my eyes. I have dark under eyes. Now I'm gonna be using my Maybeline New York Fit Me Loose Finish Powder in the shade of 30. I'm gonna go ahead and set my concealer in all the highlight areas of my face, and I'm gonna go with a darker shade to set my contour. So now I'm gonna be using my beauty blender again, and with the same Maybeline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder to bake under my eyes to give me that nice highlighted look. Just fixing my eyebrows. I didn't do much with my eyebrows, which is why it was not in this video. Now it's time to have some fun, and of course I'll be using Maybelline New York Lemonade Craze palette to do my eyes. I'm gonna be going in with my Ice Pop, basically my creasing a little bit higher because I'm not doing that much colors today. I really like this color because I feel like it really complements my skin tone. So I use it a lot. So this palette is one of my favorites. And then I went with a lighter shade, which was the Berry Ice. I just add a little bit of that on the hood of my eyes just to bring it up and mix in a little color. But I'm not doing a lot to my eyes today. And now I'm going in with my Black Radiance eyeliner. I just put a tiny bit, not too much. And I add that same Ice Pop color under my eyes. And of course for my tear ducts, although I'm not doing a lot, I'm going to add Strawberry Lemonade. It's like a very nice highlighting color. It's almost done. I need to find me this palette again. Now it's time to brush off the powder and just to make sure everything is blended nicely and there's no harsh line. I did use that same color Ice Pop to as a blush, and I blush, you know, like my cheeks and everything. And of course the Strawberry Lemonade for highlight is very, very pretty, and it goes very well with my cheekbones. So I used the Strawberry Lemonade and the Sugar, I think it's called Sugar, I can't even see it no more, but the shade I just showed on the screen is very pretty. I never feel the need to use a lip liner. I don't know why, but I like the shape of my lips, but it looks cool when other people use it. And now it's time to split my face. This is pretty much the finished look. The setting spray I use is from e.l.f. Cosmetics, the makeup mist and set. It's very nice. And after I set my face with the setting spray, I like to add a little bit more highlight to pop more. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate everyone who have supported me. I'm gonna go ahead and insert some pictures and me acting a fool and just have fun. And I hope you guys try to create this look. If you do, let me know in the comment below.